Hello my dear students and welcome back. Once again this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am. This is your video lesson number 3 for the ongoing topic which is letter writing. In the previous 2 video lessons we have discussed the topic of leave application. Let me remind you a little bit what we have done. In the previous 2 video lessons we have already discussed the format of leave application, and then we have done 2 different kinds of question of leave application. And based on the same discussion, I have also given you a few questions in the home assignments. I hope when you are watching today's video, you have already completed that previous work in your fair registers in good handwriting. Am I right? Now students, today we are going to continue with letter writing, but I am going to discuss a different kind, a new kind of letter with all of you, and that is apology letter. But before I discuss anything related to this, there is a small job which is always the same for you. That is to like, share, subscribe. Am I right? Yes. You have to click on the like button of my video. Then you have to share it with all your classmates and other people. And you have to make sure, you have to keep on checking whether you all are my subscribers or not. Now coming to the topic of apology letter. Let me introduce this. Apology letter. 2 words. Letter writing. We have already discussed, it is a medium of communication. Apology. Apology is a word. The meaning of this word is to feel sorry, to be sorry, to say sorry for some wrong action, for some kind of mistake. The mistake that you have done, for any kind of mistake. Okay? And then you feel apologetic. You feel that yes, this is a mistake, this action was a mistake, I must say sorry. So that sentence, in that sentence beta, it will be apology. Apology means to feel sorry. Now when you use this word in a sentence and you have to say that yes, I have done this mistake, I apologize. I am repeating myself, apology into verb becomes apologize. If you have done a mistake and you want to say sorry, you will say, I apologize for my mistake. Okay students? So automatically apology letter, what does it mean? It means that you are writing a letter in which you are saying that you are sorry for any kind of mistake, any kind of wrong action, any kind of problem that has been created because of you. Another point I want to tell you, apology letter similar to leave application also comes in the category of formal letter writing. You write apology letter to higher authorities when you want to admit your mistake, you want to say that you are sorry and you want to ask them, you want to request them to please forgive you. Okay students, now in this video lesson today we will be discussing the format, how to write the apology letter, what exactly we have to say when we are writing, what exactly we have to express, and then we will also do one practice question. And similar to that, I will be giving you one home assignment question as well. So, as usual, time to pay attention on your screens.
Writing skill, class 7 and class 8. Apology letter. Please note down all the details in your fair registers. The word apology means to be sorry for your actions. Apologize is the verb form of this word. For example, I apologize for speaking a line. That means when you have to use it as your action, you have to use the word apologize. Hence, an apology letter is written by a person asking for forgiveness for any wrong action done by them. Forgive means to pardon the mistake. Forgiveness is an abstract noun. I hope you will understand the difference in all these words as they are very important to use in your body of letter. So students, please pay attention. Next, we are moving forward to the format of writing an apology letter. The format of apology letter is very similar to that of leave application. There are a few changes which we will understand step by step. Sender's address. In that place, my dear students, you will be writing your own address within 3 lines. Below that, you will be writing the date. I hope by now everyone has understood how to write the date. Below that, again leaving one line, receiver's address. It can be either the principal or the class teacher. Below that, in 3 lines, school address. After that, leave one blank line and time to write your subject. Now your letter is for apologizing, hence your subject will be apology letter. After subject, again leaving one line and moving on to the salutation. Salutation means to pay your respect to the receiver, so it will be madam or sir. In the very next line, without leaving any blank line, now we will be starting with the body of your letter. With due respect, I wish to say that I have done the mistake of dash. In the place of this blank area, you will be writing the exact mistake or the exact wrong action that has been mentioned in the question. Or if you are using this format in real life, then you will be writing the exact wrong action that has been done by you. Next, I take full responsibility for it and I apologize to you for the same. In this line, you are taking responsibility and you are admitting that yes, this was a wrong action and this was done by me and I am sorry for it. Next, I assure you this kind of action shall not be repeated in the future by me. In this line, you are giving a kind of guarantee or surety to the receiver that this particular kind of mistake that you have done shall never be repeated in the future again. Immediately in the next line, you will be ending the body of letter. Kindly consider my apology and grant me your forgiveness. Once again, pay attention to this particular line. You are asking the receiver to consider your apology, to consider that you are sorry, and then grant you their forgiveness. You are requesting them to forgive you this particular time. I shall be highly grateful to you. Thank you. Yours faithfully, name, class and section. Time for one practice question. Question number 1. Write an apology letter to the class teacher for having incomplete work of all subjects for 10 days. Now read the question again. The question is saying that you have not completed your work of all subjects in the fair registers. It's been 10 days now. And now you will be writing an apology letter to say that you are sorry to the class teacher. In the answer, first starting with sender's address. I have written XYZ, but in that place, as usual, you will be writing your own address within 3 lines. After that, leave one line blank. Put the date. You must remember to write the month in alphabets. After that, comma, then year. Again, leave one line blank. Now your receiver according to the question is the class teacher. Below that, in 3 lines, simply write the address of your school. After that, leave one line again as blank. Time to write the subject, apology letter. Below the subject, again leave one line blank and put the salutation for the class teacher, that is Madam. Directly in the very next line, start your body. With due respect, I wish to say that I have done the mistake of not completing my work in the notebook of all subjects for 10 days. Now you have just admitted your mistake. I take full responsibility for my wrong action and I apologize to you for the same. Now in this line you are taking responsibility. You are saying, yes ma'am, I have not done the work and I am also very sorry. I assure you this shall not be repeated in the future by me. Now in this line you are telling your class teacher that ma'am, I promise in the future I will not do this kind of mistake again. Now students, in the very next line, without leaving any line, simply end your body of letter by writing, kindly consider my apology and grant me your forgiveness. Now what are you doing? You are saying to the class teacher, please consider this letter, please see that I am feeling very sorry and grant me your forgiveness. And forgive me this time for not having my work complete. I shall be highly grateful to you. That means you are saying, ma'am, I will be really thankful if you please kindly forgive me and consider my apology. In the next line, without leaving any blank line, simply write thank you. In the next line, you will write yours faithfully. You can also write yours truly, yours sincerely, yours obediently. In the end, personal details, name, class and section. Home assignment number 3. The question will be same for both class 7 and 8. Write an apology letter to the principal for damaging the projector of your classroom. Now in this particular question, you are writing an apology letter and saying sorry to the principal of your school because you have damaged the projector which has been placed in your classroom. I hope you will be able to do this question very easily. Now below it, as you can see on your screen, there are some points to remember. Body of your letter should be to the point and precise. No need to write long paragraphs to explain the mistake. Kindly consider my apology and grant me your forgiveness should always be written in the end. And my dear students, it is my advice for all of you, you must learn the spellings. These particular spellings as you can see on your screen.
So students, this was your today's discussion, apology letter. We have discussed what it means to say the word apologize, apology, forgive, forgiveness. Then we have discussed the format, especially the body of your letter. What exactly you will be writing to express your feeling of being sorry. If you observe, the ending of your body is there in which we write, kindly consider my apology and grant me your forgiveness. Must remember this line. And then we have also done one practice question which will be very helpful for you when you do your home assignment. So again I am repeating myself, whenever you will sit and you will start your home assignment work, re-watch this particular video so that all the content, all the important details I have given are fresh in your mind. Okay students, till then take care, bye bye. I will see you all next time in the video lesson and we will continue with the same topic. So students, take care, see you all.